Hi, welcome to the third lesson of Learning English Language. Today we will discuss the phrase. Study the following group of words. In the West, at 11 o'clock, of fine silk, on a wall, 400 rupees, near my house, how to do it, of great beauty, with a pencil. Unlike a sentence, these group of words make sense but not complete sense. Such groups of words are called phrases. In other words, a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. We may place a phrase at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, on Sundays we don't go to school. Let's look at the phrases that we had shown you earlier. Those were in the West, on a wall, how to do it, at 11 o'clock, 400 rupees, of great beauty, of pure silk, near my house, with a pencil. All the phrases given above can fit into sentences. The sun sets in the west. John and Jane sat on a wall. Tell me how to do it. The bell rings at 11 o'clock. The small toy was selling 400 rupees. The Taj Mahal is a building of great beauty. He wears a tie of pure silk. There are no shops near my house. I cannot write with a pencil. Now let's do a small exercise. Fit the phrases given in the box into the sentences. Over the fence, in an orchard, along the floor, on my wrist, by night, under the ground, into the water, at the desk, up the chimney, on his bicycle. What I would suggest is pause this video, take your time and complete these sentences. Let's look at the answers. I'm sure you got all of them right. So first one would be apples grow in an orchard. She is sitting at the desk. There is no smoke up the chimney. Suddenly the man on the boat fell into the water. Baby crawls along the floor. He rides on his bicycle. I wear my watch on my wrist. The moon shines by night. The mole lives under the ground. The horse jumped over the fence. Now, this is a practice exercise that you can do at your own leisure. Fit the phrases given in the box into sentences. On the way home, in the lake, near the school, in winter, hand in hand, on the seashore. So what you have to do is fit these phrases into these sentences. Take your time, do it, and then let us know in the comment section if you have any problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos, and then we will come with the fourth lesson in our next video. Thank you so much.